Introducing the all-new 2022 Volkswagen Id.4 PRO, a top-of-the-line electric vehicle that is setting the standard for performance and innovation. This sleek and stylish 5-door estate boasts a 204 horsepower engine and a 77 kWh electric power source, all while emitting zero emissions. Packed with an array of comfort and safety features, from ambient lighting and satellite navigation to collision avoidance braking and lane departure warning, this vehicle ensures a smooth and secure ride every time. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer specification servicing, and a comprehensive warranty included, you can have peace of mind knowing you are driving a quality vehicle. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own the future of driving. Call us today or visit our website michaelmoore.ie for more information on how you can get behind the wheel of the 2022 Volkswagen Id.4 PRO. Drive into the future with style and sustainability. The choice is yours.